Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create captivating PowerPoint using AI on Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit canva.com or you can open up your Canva application. Then you're going to go to the Canva AI right here. And then here you can describe a design or a PowerPoint design that you want to create using AI, and I have already created a prompt, so I'm just going to paste my prompt here. For example, I'm going to create a professional PowerPoint presentation design for a forestry project, and then I'm going to select design for me, and then I'm going to click on submit. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment guys, it's still loading. Okay, now the AI is preparing the design for me. Okay, the design will appear right here, and after it's completed we'll be able to customize the template. Okay, my design is ready. This is how the template looks like, and then I will be able to customize it. Alright, and if you want to edit the template, you can click on this icon, and then I'm going to click on use Canva editor. And if you want to save it, we can click on share here, and then we can click on download. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create captivating PowerPoint using AI on Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!